Welcome to House of Party. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own Encanto Balloon Garland Kit. In your kit, you're going to receive 5-inch balloons, 10-inch balloons, 12-inch balloons, and 18-inch balloons, along with your foil balloons and your butterflies and some glue dots, a balloon garland strip, and 2 hooks. Now let's get to work. On this step, we're going to blow up all of our latex balloons. I'm going to start with the 12-inch balloons using my electric pump. When your latex balloon starts looking a little egg-shaped, that's when you know when to stop adding air. If you want that round look, press the top and release some air. And now you have more of a round look. You're gonna go ahead and continue this process with all of our balloons. If you're using a hand pump, you're gonna grab your 5-inch balloon, pull it in the neck as much as you can, and then start pumping. Tying it, just like that. Moving on with our 18-inch balloon. It's giving me that egg shape, so I'm gonna stop. I like the round look. Tying it. Continuing this process with the rest of the balloons. Now it's time to attach all of your balloons to your garland strip. If you have a little clamp laying around, you can go ahead and use this, and this will help control the strip. What we're gonna do first is we're gonna grab our 12-inch balloon, skip a few holes, attaching it to the 3rd one, pulling the neck through the hole, pulling it and locking it in there, making sure it is secure. Just like that. You can add all of your colors together just like this one, or you can mix match all of your balloon colors. I'm going to grab a 5-inch, or I mean a 10-inch, go on the opposite side, doing the same thing, pulling the neck through the hole and locking it in there. Continue this process all the way through the garland strip. And before your garland strip is done, it should start looking something like this. And when you're done, you're gonna grab your hooks. These hooks are really good on stucco, brick, and drywall. If you're planning on doing these on drywall, you wanna grab some painter's tape just to protect the drywall. Now let's hang our garland. As you can see, I've already placed my painter's tape first, then the hook, making sure that all of the air bubbles are pushed out before I hang my garland. You're gonna use the little holes that are left over on the garland and hanging it. Just like that. Now that your balloon garland is hanging, you're gonna grab all of your 5-inch balloons, using your glue dots, attaching 1 to 2 glue dots as close as you can to the neck, and attaching your 5-inch balloon to the places you feel that is needed. The way I have it set up here is I have all of my teal together, so I'm gonna place it with all of my teals, looking for a gap, like in here, attaching it and pressing against another latex balloon just like that. Next step, we're gonna be attaching our butterflies. With your butterflies, just gonna be the same thing we did with the 5-inch balloons, using glue dots. Before you attach your butterflies, you wanna bend the wings of the butterfly and then attaching your glue dots. Just like that, looking for a place. And when you place your butterflies, you want to make sure that you make the butterflies facing different ways, up, down, to the side. Don't face them all the same way. You wanna make it look like they're real butterflies sitting on balloons. Just like that. Now for your foils. Your foil bag should come with a straw. You could use this if you don't have a hand pump. You just have to insert it into the valve, lifting the clear piece of plastic. But if you're using a hand pump, which is a lot easier, you're gonna place it into the valve and pump away. And when you're all done, it should look something like this. If your tiger's legs are not airing up, all you have to do is press on the belly of the tiger, and the rest of the air should release into his legs or her legs. Not sure. To place your foils onto your balloon garland, you're gonna wanna use your glue dots. Before you place your glue dots, make sure to grab some Scotch tape, placing it in the best area on your foils, then placing your glue dots on your Scotch tape and it'll stick, and then you place it onto your balloon garland. And when you're all done, it should look something like this. Thank you for choosing House of Party. We hope this video has been helpful. If you would like to purchase this product, the link is in the description below. We'll see you next time.